Mavic with nighttime anti-collision strobe. It's raining outside. I was going to take it out and take it for a little flight, but that's the iPad on the controller and then side view of the drone. And then right in there is the remote controller. But if it wasn't raining, I was going to take it out and see if I could do about a 3-mile flight, and it just won't let up outside. The winds are about 30 miles an hour, and the worst I've been in is 20, and I wanted to check that out too. Well, that's it. This is my Mavic 2 Pro. I can't go flying right now, so kind of bored. I did this for my friend Willie, so hopefully he'll enjoy it.